Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad, structural engineering, reinforcement concrete. I am Dr. Imayash Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In this video, I am going to explain one more problem on column size. If to find area of compressive stress steel reinforcement, the column size is given 400 mm by 600 mm. Axial load here, this is 1500 given instead of 4000 2000 kilonewtons, 1500 given. Okay, that is service load and dead load. The column has an unsupported length of 4 meters and effectively held in position, restrained against rotation in both ends. Fix, use M25 gram concrete and 415 steel. See, as explained in the first problem, see L is equal to 4000 mm and B is equal to 400 mm. Here D is equal to 300 mm, and from table 28 of IS 456, what is the you have to take? See here section 4. See, if you see table of this one, okay, this annexure E of columns, table 28 you will get. See, if you observe this table, you will see if effectively held in position and restrained against rotation, that is fixed at both ends, theoretical value is 0.65 L. So here you have to calculate same way. Okay, here how calculated here? So here 0.65 into what is the L given? Okay, here L is given 4000 mm, that is 4 meters, right? How to calculate this one? If you go this, here you calculate how much here 0.65 into 4000, that is equal to, you will get 2600 mm. Okay, see here you can say small mm and here mm. So this is the LEX LYY. Then you have to calculate whether it is a long column or short column, as explained previously. So what is that? Here 2600 divided by, you will get how much? Say first one is 600. Okay, calculate with calculator, that you will get 4.33 value, and which is less than, this is less than 12. So that's why it's a short column. And you can check in shorter direction also, that is 2600 by 400. So 2600 by 400, how much you will get here? You are going to get 6.5. Use calculator, and it is also less than 12. So that's why for in both cases, it is a short column. As per class 25.12, here see we have to go for class 25.12. So what is class 25 to 12? Here if you see, after here we have this structural limit state design consideration, right? Here we have to go to what is the that is 25.12. What is that is 25.12, right? Here if you go for this one 25.12, here you should know very well around page number 42. So frequently you have to use this regularly, right? This is unsupported length, say not equation. Here 25 point compression. Yeah, short column. See, as per 25.12, it is a short column, right? Okay, this is from in this way you have to take designs columns, right? And also from this one is a short column. Now if you go to 25.4, as I explained, E max, E minimum and E by minimum we have to calculate. That is LEX here 2600 by 500 plus D by 30 and 20. Whichever is the maximum in this one you have to take, that is eccentricity, that is 25 mm. And you have to check this for what 0.05 D. D is your 600. So 0.05 into D is, you will get 30 mm, and it is greater than, this is permissible eccentricity, and it is greater than your eccentricity minimum 25.2. So this is given class 25.4. Class 25.4 here, minimum eccentricity. Okay, already, and you observe that one. All columns shall be designed for a minimum eccentricity equal to the unsupported length, that is unsupported length here, that is 4000, column by 500 plus divided by 500 plus lateral dimension by 30, subject to a minimum of 20 mm. Okay, so this is 25.4. According to this also, this will you get within the limit. So it is a short column. Okay, hence 39.3 is applicable. Where you will see 39. Here you will get 39.3. See, in this way you have to use our code books, right? See, if you see this code book 39.3, this is applicable as 25.4 condition implies in our problems, applicable in our problems, and this clause 39.3 is applicable to this our problem. Okay, so now we can take this equation to calculate the reinforcement and size, right? See here, this problem, now we calculated as proved as a short column by using this IS 456, right? And now step 3 is we have to calculate area of steel by substituting P equal to 1500 kilonewtons, and this is 0.4 FCK into AC plus 0.567 FY AC, okay, and plus 0.67 into 415, that is yield stress is 415. Steel we have used ASC equal to, here we got negative value because already column size is more and area of compressed steel is required, what is required then this size. So in that cases, here as per class 26.5.31, okay, here 26.5.31. Here if you see this is very important learning this one column. So here 26.5.31, this is minimum 0.8% and maximum 4% and 5 or 8%. Here we have to provide minimum 4 bars. So here in that case, the area of compression steel is required, that is PU by 0.4, that is this 25 grade FCK. So from this one, AC required is 1,50,000 mm square. As per this one is 12 mm square, 1200 mm square. But here we required AC. This is the grass area, and AC required, and AST equal to 0.8%. That is 0.8% grass area is how much here required. See, grass area equal to AC equal to here this 15 1,50,000 mm square by 100, that is percentage, 0.8%. So 1200 mm square required. So provide to meet this 1200 mm, you calculate that provide 416 mm and 412 mm. You will get total area of both 1256 mm square, which is more than required 1200 mm. Okay, see, as per class we are calculated. Okay, this after getting this one, how to calculate here? If you see here, see what is the area of this 16 mm bars. Suppose 16 mm bars, one bar equal to 16 mm bars equal to pi d square by 4. So 16, this is 16 into 16 into 22 divided by 7 divided by 4. Okay, for 16 mm you will get 201. 201 into 4. Okay, here 201 into, you will have 4 bars. Okay, now this is equal to approximately you will get 804, right? This is equal to 804. Okay, this is equal to 804. And if you use what is the area of 12 mm bars? 113. 113 into 4, 4 into here 113. Similar, like you will get approximately this value 113 into 4. Okay, you will get 452, and if you add both you will get that 1256. So in this way we have to solve the problem, and you have to draw this figure. See, edges you provide 416 mm in between two 12 mm bars, and cover is given 40 mm. Spacing of directions is given 8 mm at 250. So as per this is norms given by IS 456. In this way we have to do the problem. Thank you.